Welcome to part 2 of our 5250 Modernisation project demonstration. Here we will show you the details in a browser. Here we can see our help desk application that's running in a browser. This is showing all my open tickets. For this application we have gone to a tabbed approach, which lends itself very well to the help desk application. Along the top of the browser we can see our menuing system. So we have tickets, dashboards, reports, configuration, maintenance and a help section. Users have to be authorized to this. So obviously we don't want the general users to go into the configuration or the maintenance. Straight away I can see that I've got 22 tickets open that I need to address. To aid performance, we only show a certain page at a time. So I might have hundreds of tickets that are actually open, but in this example we can see only the first 10 tickets are actually shown. So I've got 3 pages worth of tickets. As we can see from the top header tab, we've got some buttons on there, so I can directly go to My Open, My Closed, My All, etc., etc. Additionally, we can hover over some of the codes that are on this screen. For example, you can see there if we hover over the environment code, it gives us further details about that. If the My Open, My Close, etc. buttons are not good enough for us and we need to find specific information about tickets, we can use the Search tab. In the Search tab, we have drop-down boxes for information we can actually search for. In our demo, we're going to show you all tickets that are open before a specific date. In this column, we use the less than sign to actually indicate all tickets that were open before a specific date. As we are searching on a date field, in this example the date opened, we can use date pop-ups to input our date information. Pressing the search button will get the server to return all the tickets that were open before the 1st of May. Once we have found the ticket we want to work on, we just select the icon down the left hand column and that will enter the ticket information. So here we can see our main ticket details. The caller name and environment fields have autocomplete. This gives us the option of just typing in a couple of characters, and if those characters are found anywhere within those fields, it will display them in a drop down. We can see we've just typed in FRE into the caller name field and it's brought up all the options, as in the Frenchies, the Freers, the Freemans, the Freds. The procedure number field is slightly different. If we key information into here, it actually auto-completes the information in the keyword 1, keyword 2 and keyword 3 fields. This slide shows keyword 1, 2 and 3 that have been auto-completed from the procedure number, saving the users keying in a lot of information. This of course can be overwritten if needed. On the bottom half of the screen we can see our tabs. So these are very similar to what we had on our green screen, where the programmer there uses command keys. Additionally, these tabs are color-coded, so we can see the blue ones there have got information beneath them, where the black ones have no details there. The first tab that's shown is the activity log. This is the history, the audit trail of that ticket. If we want to add a new entry to this ticket, we press the New Activity button. A text box now opens up where we can key in our information and save that back to the ticket. Going back to the ticket, we can see the information we've keyed in has now been placed within the log. Let us now have a look at any documents we have attached to this ticket. We can tell by the tab that it's got one document attached to it. So we can see this ticket has a PDF attached to it. If we click the icon down the left hand side of it, it will open up that PDF. If we want to add another document to this ticket, we just press on the Add a Doc button. There are 2 ways we can attach files to our document. The first way is just by drag and drop, so we can easily drag our files from our desktop or from wherever else and drag it into the shaded area there. The second method is the Choose File button. Once again, we're going to select a PDF. It doesn't have to be a PDF, it can be any file type. So we can see the PDF has now been attached to this ticket. If we want to open it, we click the icon down the side. Here we can see the PDF being opened, shown in a browser. To close a ticket, the user is presented with a pop-up window just to confirm they want to close that ticket. Additionally, a ticket can be printed at any time. This will produce a PDF for the user. Next, we will show you our dashboard, where we produce graphs here to show us ticketed information. Thank you for letting us demonstrate our 5250 modernisation demonstration. If you need to contact us, please use the email address that's shown on the screen at the moment. Thank you and goodbye.